सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक सपोर्ट चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Using a tape measure just got easier with the introduction of the eTape 16. It solves a problem virtually everyone has, measuring mistakes, and it's actually educational and fun to use. The eTape 16 takes the human error out of measuring by giving you an accurate digital measurement every time, with the ability to recall your measurements at any time. As you lengthen the tape measure blade, you immediately see why eTape 16 is different and not your ordinary tape measure. It takes the guesswork out of measuring. With the large digital display, one can see and read the measurement clearly. With the touch of the inch-centimeter button, it allows you to read the measurement displayed in inches, feet, fractions, decimals, and even converts from standard to metric and back. Not only does it measure easily and accurately, but it has several other useful functions. When taking a measurement, you can use the standard blade lock or use the digital hold button. The large display makes your measurement easy to use and easy to remember and recall with the touch of a button. The inside-outside function allows you to measure to the front of the tape measure or to the back and calculates the extra width. No more needing to bend your blade when backed into a corner. When you need to hang a picture or find the center of a measurement, press this center line button and it will calculate it for you. Whenever someone sees the eTape digital tape measure for the first time, their initial reactions are, "That is cool! It makes total sense and I want one." Thus, the digital tape measure was born. Since its origin, the eTape has proven useful in a multitude of settings. The eTape 16 is a unique and durable tool that provides data in a more simple, reliable, and accurate way. For any job, whether at home or work, the rugged and durable eTape 16 digital tape measure will ensure your measurements are accurate every time. Here's to measuring once and cutting once. Until next time.
Introducing one of the most clever and versatile tools you'll ever use, the orange screw. With its simple design, the orange screw is useful in many environments where other products often fail. They're also made entirely in the USA from 100% recycled materials by our family-owned company. Have you ever experienced a tent stake fail in the wind or rain? Had your sun shelter blown over at the beach? Had your dog yank his stake out of the ground? Chances are something like this has happened to you. That's why we created a better product, one that can easily handle all of these jobs. Our patented helical shape has been rigorously and successfully tested in various environments, soil types, and temperature extremes. With coarse threads and a lightweight yet burly design, orange screws are unique among ground anchors and render traditional tent, garden, and other stakes obsolete. Orange screws are so easy to use. Simply start driving the screw into the ground and finish it off with a clear plastic safety cover, which doubles as a T-grip. Even the most difficult soils are no match. Orange screws are available in 2 sizes. They're incredibly strong, and we guarantee every orange screw sold. It's time to simplify your gear and use the one ground anchor that does it all. The orange screw will replace metal dog tie-outs or provide a quick tie-down for other large animals. They'll secure your RV awning in the wind or keep your tent or beach shelter securely where you placed it. They'll anchor a tarp over your tractor, ATV, or firewood. These handy little workhorses have literally hundreds of uses. Our family created the orange screw to help make our outings less stressful and more enjoyable. We truly believe you will love them and use them just as much as we do. They are, quite simply, the ultimate ground anchor.
All cool garages start from the ground up, and that begins with Racetech garage flooring. Nearly 20 years ago, I created Racetech, a durable, cost-effective, truly do-it-yourself garage flooring system. Transform that ugly garage floor in just hours, not days. Racetech's multi-patent design allows for easy installation without all the hassles and mess of toxic epoxy coatings. Durable and easy to clean, standing up to the harshest of garage environments. Our patented power lock system not only makes installation a snap, but it keeps your floor locked in. Racetech is engineered tough, handling vehicle rolling loads in excess of 80,000 pounds. Proudly made in USA in our ISO quality certified facility, guaranteeing you the best garage flooring system you can buy. If you want the coolest garage on the block, contact us today at Racetech.
There's a new way to inflate tires, sporting equipment, and more. It's called the AirHawk, and it's revolutionary. The AirHawk is an amazing new cordless handheld air compressor that pulls in the outside air and then compresses it into the tire. It's fast, easy to use, and extremely convenient. You no longer need to drive to the gas station for air. You no longer need to pull out the large, bulky air compressor. You no longer need to buy those messy, expensive cans of air. The AirHawk is the most convenient, time-saving way to fill up your tires. Not only that, the AirHawk digitally reads the pressure and can be set to stop automatically when it gets to the correct tire pressure. The AirHawk can help you out of a bad situation. Traditional hand pumps are difficult to use and clumsy. The AirHawk is easier, faster, and far more efficient. The AirHawk comes with several air nozzles for a wide variety of uses. You know how frustrating it is when you have a flat ball. But with the AirHawk, flat balls are no longer a problem. In the past, blowing up inflatables such as pool toys and camping air mattresses was a hassle. With the AirHawk, that job just became much easier. The AirHawk is no cheap disposable gadget. The AirHawk is a solid, durable tool that you'll use all the time. Get your AirHawk right now.